Welcome to the one-bedroom villa at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Now, this villa is one of only 2 DVC resorts that has 2 full bathrooms in the one bedroom. So right by the front door is your first full bath, and everything's all in one room. And then immediately to your left, when walking in, we have the washer and dryer and some more hanging closet space, and they give you soap for laundry. Here we have a countertop to eat at, a nice table and chairs. This is a sleeper chair that converts into a bed. Nice big TV, storage space. And this sofa opens up into a sofa bed. This resort hasn't been refurbished yet, so it doesn't have those Murphy beds. Over here is the full kitchen. We have a nice big refrigerator, bigger than the ones at the Boardwalk and a lot of other resorts. And so there's no ice maker, but there are ice cube trays. And then it's a full, nice big fridge on the bottom. Full stove. Coffee pot. This is a regular coffee pot, not a Keurig. A dishwasher, sink with a garbage disposal, and they give you soap and cleaning supplies and a toaster. And here's the bedroom, nice king bed. Oh, and this resort still has ceiling fans. There's a ceiling fan in the bedroom and in the living room. That is much appreciated, and I don't like how they've been removing them in the refurbishments. And so you got a chair, a desk and a chair, luggage rack, mirror, another TV, and a dresser. And then here is the second full bath. It has a jetted tub, and this real pretty Lion King in the tile. A nice big shower. They have the soap on the wall. But look at these pretty bottles. I like them a lot better than the other bottles. It's a nice big shower with a shelf and a seat. Oops, don't slam the door. Nice countertop. Single sink in here. Mirror, makeup mirror. And the toilet is in its own little closet. And then also in the bathroom, we have another closet. Here's your extra pillow and blankets that you use for the fold-out beds. An ironing board, and your safe. So, now this is a Savannah view room, so let's take a look at our balcony and our view. There's a nice big balcony. Look at this. There's the full length of the room, chairs and table, another chair. And there's 2 entrances to the balcony. There's one in the master bedroom. And there's some of your animals, those cranes. And there were some antelope out here earlier. Oh, there's some over there. I was out here a few minutes ago, and there were some different animals a little closer, so I'll insert some shots of them. The animals move around throughout the day, so sometimes you come out and there aren't any, but if you just wait, some will show up. We're all the way up on the 5th floor, the top floor, so it's kind of hard to see the animals. It's a lot easier when you're on a lower floor, so if you really want a good look at the animals, you should probably request a lower floor. Animal Kingdom Lodge is actually 2 different hotels. There's Jambo House, and then there's Kidani Village. Kidani Village is only DVC rooms, Jambo House is a combination of DVC rooms and regular hotel rooms. There are more services over at Jambo. There's more restaurants. They have the quick service restaurant. It's called the Mara, and it's really good. And then they have Boma and Jiko, which is a signature restaurant that we highly recommend. And over at Kidani, they don't have a quick service, but you can refill your resort mug in their store. And then their restaurant is Sanaa. And for lunch and dinner, it's a regular table service restaurant, but in the morning, they do a quick service breakfast, which is very good, and again, highly recommended. You can either walk between Jambo and Kidani, or you can take a shuttle bus that they run between the two hotels, because it is kind of a long walk, but you can do it. Another nice thing about Kidani is that they have a parking garage under the hotel. So your car doesn't get hot and you don't have to walk all the way out to the parking lot, because, you know, those parking lots are a lot of times really far from your room. And they have elevators every so often in the parking garage so that you don't have to walk too far to your room, because Kidani also has very long hallways, even longer than Boardwalk. So this is our first time staying at Kidani, even though we've stayed at Jambo House many times. So we're looking forward to enjoying this room, and I love having the 2 full baths. I think that's a real plus, and we're looking forward to enjoying this beautiful 1-bedroom suite. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more history and travel videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!